What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis here, and today I am installing this bob wig from Junoda Wig. So right now you guys are just pretty much watching me prep the wig before I actually put it on my head. I did cut it into a kind of like blunt bob, and we're just gonna hop right into the install. So a little bit about the wig. Like I said, it's from Junoda Hair, and it is a 4x4 lace closure bob wig. And I will leave all the hair information and everything in the description box down below. So personally, right now, this is actually my favorite wig right now. When I was going to my job, this was like my go-to wig. So I did over bleach the notch just a little bit, so I did go in with a little bit of mascara. Now I've personally worn this wig with a side part and a middle part, and I still kept the wig pretty much in the middle of my head. Now, like I said, it's a 4x4 closure. The lace looks a little bit white, but I did add my lace foam so that it would basically color it to be closer to my skin tone. Now, this is pretty much a quick install, and this was pretty much my install process really every single morning. I didn't do anything special, just sprayed the spray. And actually for the morning times when I got ready for work, I would actually just lay the wig on my head and just spray right over top of the lace. I wouldn't even lift it up. So a little bit different from what I'm doing in the video for my everyday process, but pretty much kind of like the same. So you guys seeing me spray my EBN spray onto the wig, and now I'm just adding a little bit of my lace foam on there so they can add a little bit of brownish color to it, basically so it could blend with my skin a little bit more. And then you guys will see me basically tie it up with my lace band. So pretty much once I get the lace band on there, I'm just going in with my hot comb, kind of flattening a couple of things just to make sure it's laying right and doing what it needs to do. Then I go in with my blow dryer on cool and just blow dry over the band a little bit, just so that it could dry like a little bit faster, because I was in a rush trying to go somewhere. Now when I take the band off, I actually like to snatch it really fast. Doesn't look fast in the video, but I promise I did, just so that I'm not pulling up anything that's previously been melted by the lace band. Now just razoring off the extra lace just to see basically what I'm working with, and then next I'm just going to pull out my little baby hairs on the side, which is not needed, but I did want to add my little pizzazz because who would I be if I didn't. Yeah, just pulling out a little bit of edges on the side so that it could look a little bit more natural. So once I get my little edges on the side together, I did try to pluck them a little bit because it was a little thick. It was giving very thick. Then I went in with my small curling iron, just curl them a little bit so I could do a little swoop-a-doop. And with my what is it, Nairobi foam, I always love to use that. So I'm gonna razor down the baby hairs, basically where like the curl kind of starts to end, and then using my Nairobi foam and basically swoop-a-dooping them edges so that I can give a little bit of a natural look. Now, fun fact, I wore this wig to work when I was working at Delta, and this lady was staring at my wig, and I thought it was something wrong with it. Whole time after I got done her transaction, she told me that my wig was laying so beautifully and it looked so natural, and she loves it. So make sure y'all check my exclusive discount link in the description box to shop this wig. Like I said, it's very easy to maintain, and just very quick, and then it gives you that little bougie little Babiana look. Now finishing touches, I go in with my spritz, and this is actually like a little, it's kind of like a little wand. I used to use it to, well, these to wash my eyelash extensions. So I have a bunch of them, but I like to dip that into my spritz, and then I just put that along the edge of the lace. I'm gonna pop in a little bit of concealer so that my part can be a little bit more direct, a little bit more defined. And really, that kind of concludes the install. Like I said, super easy process, looks super natural, and it's like the quickest go-to hairstyle in the morning, especially if you got to get up, go to school, go to work, whatever the case may be. But shout out to Junoda Wig, if that's how you say it. I think I'm saying it correctly, but it's giving very much Babiana. If you don't want to, you don't have to cut it, but I did want it a little bit short. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.